Why does your scanner show the P0474 engine code? What does it mean? P0474 is a diagnostic trouble code for exhaust pressure sensor A, circuit intermittent or erratic. The P0474 engine code indicates that PCM is receiving an unstable, irregular, or illogical voltage signal from the primary exhaust pressure sensor. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: clogged pressure tube, damaged or frayed wiring, corroded or loose connectors, faulty exhaust pressure sensor, exhaust or intake leaks. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Ram, Ford, Mercedes-Benz, and Nissan. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.